Hey everybody, welcome back. I have been terrible filming the last, I don't know, month and a half. So this video is going to be a little different than what I've normally been posting. So I've got some pictures of things that we've had going on, so I'm just going to post some pictures and put a little music to it so you guys can kind of see what's been going on to make it somewhat entertaining, give a little audio. And mostly what we have done is that you're going to see on this video is fireplaces. We laid all the rock for our fireplaces. We have installed hardwood floors throughout the house. Our closet guy came. Actually, I don't think I have any pictures for the closets, so you probably won't see that in this video, but we have done that. And what else? All the tile was done. The cabinet guys have come. They've started working. We put the handrails on our back porch. We put in our screened back porch system, the screening system that's been put on. Drilled our well. We got pretty lucky with our well, what I consider pretty lucky because I've drilled some pretty deep wells in the past, but I think we're 345 feet deep on our well, and we're getting about 8 gallons a minute, so that's fantastic. That's enough to run 4 or 5 houses off of. You need about 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons a minute per house. So we were excited about that. What else have we done? Cabinets, I think I mentioned that. Put up some light fixtures. So we wanted to get those light fixtures up before our hardwood floors went in because we have really tall ceilings in our living room and we didn't want scaffold and all that sort of thing scooting along our brand new white oak hardwood floors. And also I trashed my mantle mounting system. If you guys remember a few episodes back, I put the metal rods in our fireplace, the thread all that I was going to attach our mantle to. We were looking at doing a solid wood mantle at that point, and so I just did not like that mounting system. The more I played with it and messed with it, and over time it seemed like it got loose. So we tore that out, and I actually ended up just framing what you see kind of more conventional in a faux fireplace construction is just framing like a 2x6 frame, and then you wrap it with stained spruce, like 1x8 and 1x10s. It looks nice. Turned out well, so we're happy with it. Also, I got another little surprise for you guys in this video. I was a baseball player in high school, and got the opportunity to go take some batting practice at a corporate event one of our suppliers hosted at our local minor league ballpark. So included a little blast from the past on the video of getting to swing the bat again and try to hit a baseball in my older age, where my eyes don't see quite as well and my muscles don't exactly do what I want them to all the time. So, but it was fun, had a blast, but was definitely sore the next day. So yeah, I'll get this thing rolling and you guys can check it out. Thanks for stopping by, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Welcome back, friends. It's been a while. It is June 27th, and we are getting a lot done. We got our well last week, and gonna be able to just start doing some fine grading around the house. Now we got that water line in, and we got our screened-in porch in. You can see handrails here behind me. Got our screen door right here. A little grill patio out there for a grill. But we are cabinets today, so that's one of the things I wanted to show you guys. Really cool is our custom cabinets are showed up and they're here, and the guys are installing them. So I'll take you in, walk you around, show you what they look like, and then I will probably do a little time-lapse video of the install. So that'd be pretty neat to see how they all go in. So we'll bring you along. So there's the guys unloading out of the truck. Here's you kind of see what they look like. So this is hickory, just a stained hickory. We looked at doing painted, but in my opinion, it would be shameful to cover up that beautiful wood with paint. So you can see all the different pieces and parts and all that's coming in. And they're getting ready to start putting them together.